Hello everyone, Ravneet Bhala welcomes you back to her channel. You love cookies but do not want to eat maida biscuits that are laden with artificial preservatives, refined sugar, additives, colors, and chemicals. So here's presenting a very healthy cookie recipe with malai and jaggery. As always, Ravneet Bhala bakes no maida, no sugar biscuits without baking powder and soda. So let's see what the millet cookie recipe is. You need 4 tablespoons of refrigerated malai or cream. Mix with half cup of jaggery powder. Please check Cookie Baking Basics for beginners for all basic steps. Stir well until it looks all mixed. Add 1/4 cup of sattu or roasted chana powder mix. Now add flavor of choice. I have used homemade allspice powder. For the recipe, please check the link in description. Add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. I have also posted a recipe on making chickpea flour at home. Remember, these are perfect high protein cookies without baking powder and soda. So follow all steps in the video recipe. Next goes in 1/4 cup of homemade little millet flour. I'll post the link to making millet flour at home in description. Yes, my dear friends, I tend to make almost everything at home because I believe in eating healthy and homemade is the best. You may replace little millet with any other millet powder. Add half cup of almond powder to make nutritious cookies for kids as well as elders. Cut into shapes, make the design of choice. I chose to make the healthy cookies look beautiful with a flower pattern with hands. Follow the steps shown in the video to learn how to design a flower cookie without any cookie cutter. Preheat the air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. You may bake these millet cookies in oven, OTG, convection or even on stove top. If you want to learn how to bake cookies on tawa or in kadai, please let me know in comments. Place each cookie at a distance from the other. Bake protein cookies with sattu at 160 degrees Celsius for 14 to 18 minutes. Timing might vary from one machine to another. It might take your sattu cookies longer to bake in an oven or OTG. If you try out this cookie recipe in oven or OTG, please share how long it takes to bake in comments. Allow cookies to cool down before storing them in an airtight container. I hope you enjoy this millet cookie biscuit recipe in air fryer. If you do, एक like तो बनता है. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until we meet next. Bye bye, take care, see you soon.